Wanna know how to change your password in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Reolink application. Now, once I've done that, you should be on this device tab right here. Just simply select this Me icon. This should direct you to your profile. Just simply select your profile again, and you should be under your account information right here. Now, since you want to change password, on the first right here you should see change password. Just simply select it and you should be directed to the Reolink's mini web browser where you can just simply change your password. Make sure you are under security as well and then select edit right here under password. Now enter your old password to verify it. Select next. And now you need to type in your new password and confirm it. And once you're done with it, just simply select confirm right here and then your password should be reset. Sometimes you might be logged out from your account itself, so you need to re-log in for confirmation. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.